Adobe Captivate is connected with other Creative Cloud applications as well. So let's say, for example, you're recording an audio or something like that, then you can directly open it up in Audition. So let's see an example how to do that. So you can see right over here that I got record as a button right over here. So let me just record this out. So I'm just going to record a voice right over here and say yes. And you can see that the audio recording calibration option appears. So I'm just going to go for auto calibrate right over here, and then it will calibrate out. So you can see that it has calibrated. It's taking the audio input level. So now I'm going to press OK and record it out. Hello and welcome to the lesson for Adobe Captivate. And then stop it right over here. As you can see now, you can see that my audio is here. So what I can do is, of course, I can save this out right over here, or I can directly edit in Adobe Audition. So what you can do is you can go over here onto the edit section, and here you can see Adobe Audition is an option which is much more better of an application with which you can edit. So you can simply open out Adobe Audition right over here, and let's see what changes happens right over here. So once I open up Adobe Audition right over here, so it's opening up, as you can, and over here you can see that now the audio clip has been opened up in Audition right over here. So if you want to hear this out, you can just increase the volume right over here. So I'm just going to increase the volume, and maybe I want to do out some editing. So let's say I want to reduce noise right over here, and then I want to apply the noise reduction. If you want to learn more about Audition, you can learn how to use Audition through the Audition tutorial playlist that I have on my YouTube channel. So if I were to play this, you'll be able to hear the audio. Hello and welcome to the lesson for Adobe Captivate. So what I can simply do is I can save this out by pressing Ctrl S, close out Audition, and here it says edit and save audio in Adobe Audition. Click OK in the dialog to import the changes. So what you can simply do is click OK, and now you can see that the change has been imported and you can hear the same thing. Hello and welcome to the lesson for Adobe Captivate. So that is how you can edit the clips directly from Adobe Captivate in Adobe Audition. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.